Good morning from our final day here in Ha Long Bay. Sadly, we are leaving this morning, heading back to Hanoi, taking in one final view. This place is absolutely amazing. We woke up this morning to a spectacular view of the mountains and other boats in the area. It looks very moody right now, especially with the fog, and it's kind of sunny over the top, so it's really lighting up the back of the mountains through the fog, and the layering just looks awesome. So we're really sad to leave, but we're really taking in this final morning and everything this amazing place has to offer. This is the current state of our room. If you're wondering what hotel rooms or Airbnbs look like where we stay, this is kind of the general consensus. It gets slowly more and more chaotic and unorganized as we stay someplace longer. Time for one more breakfast here. Not gonna bring the camera. It's buffet style. Nothing special. So, see you in a minute. Sarah is finishing up packing. I have come up to the top deck to enjoy some more views. It's just absolutely spectacular here. A lot of ships are heading back to the mainland, it looks like. We'll be heading back soon. I think we're gonna be in this area for probably about another hour or so. We have brunch at 9:45. It's around 8:30 right now. And yeah, it's just great. Just gotta take it all in while we can, right? So, it's awesome. We haven't really talked much about it, but the crew here is absolutely amazing. They are so attentive. They take great care of us. The food has been great. They're just awesome. All around great people. They greet you with a smile no matter what time of day it is, and it's just really, really nice. They are absolutely spectacular, and we highly recommend this cruise. We're not sponsored or anything like that. We're not paid to do this or anything. We're here on our own, and we are still recommending it, and we cannot recommend it highly enough. We'll leave a link in the description below for the cruise that we did. It's Orchid Cruises. Well, they just made the announcement that we have to check out in 15 minutes before we go to brunch. So we're taking in the views one last time from our room, lying in bed. This has been great. This has been honestly one of the most luxurious things I think we've done. 3 days and 2 nights was good, but I could do at least 5 days, I think. Yeah. Just like chilling. Let's go get some brunch and check out.
Last meal in the dining room, we have a buffet style, and I got my own special meal, but we just had breakfast, so I'm not that hungry, and the kid is gonna help me finish it.
Well, sadly, the speedboat is here to take us back to the mainland. Time to leave this boat.
Watch your head. Kid is smacked again.
And just like that, we are back in Hanoi. We made it to our Airbnb. We got dropped off right outside. Airbnb is a lot smaller than we thought it would be. Listings are not misleading. It looks exactly how it looks on the pictures, but whatever they used to take the pictures was a very wide angle.
Very wide angle.
But it's still nice. It's fine.
Yeah.
It is literally $100 for 2 nights here, so we'll take it. It's gonna serve its purpose just fine. And we're right in the heart of the old quarter. We have a great balcony.
Yeah.
We'll do a very quick tour and show you around.
Let's go. This is the bedroom. Have a bed. Moving on to the living room. There's a couch, and this place came with earplugs, so we're gonna have a quiet night for sure. That's why they gave them to us. And then KJ's actually standing in the kitchen. I don't know, it's got a pretty big sink, dishwasher. Oh no, that's a fridge. That's a fridge. I was gonna be shocked if there was a dishwasher. Fridge that's cold, microwave. There's a hot plate underneath here. And like dishes, and then right behind me is the bathroom. They also gave us these flip-flops, so I don't know if my feet are gonna fit in there. Nope, not close. Anyways, toilet, shower, sink. But my favorite part is, gotta take my shoes off. Over here, the balcony, round 2.
Push. It's a push.
It's right on the main road. We have 2 chairs. This is super cute.
These are the balcony flip-flops. Nice and perfectly sized. So yeah, nothing worthy of writing home about, but like I said, it's gonna serve its purpose. We're here in Hanoi for 2 more nights, so it's gonna be just fine. We're right in the heart of downtown of the old quarter, so we have plenty of places to go. Probably gonna get some lunch soon. We're pretty hungry, so that'll be our mission for this afternoon.
Let's get it. There's always an upstairs to these places.
Little jungle up here.
All right, at the garden bar. Ooh. We made it to the Hanoi Social Club for lunch slash just a meal. We made it for a meal.
It's not that sunny today, but it is humid, and your boy is sweaty. We haven't sat next to each other at a restaurant in a while.
Since Athens.
Oh yeah, I forgot we sat. Yeah, kind of weird sitting on the same side as the only other person you're eating with, but it's good company.
We're setting up for an event, so we moved to the second floor.
And now we are no longer next to each other. Got the char kway tao. It's noodles with shrimp and sausage. It smells delicious.
It's prawns.
Prawns or shrimp, basically. Ooh, that's good.
And I got the pasta. And they were very knowledgeable here about gluten-free. The pasta, it was so good. I was like, okay, dude, try this. Like, it doesn't taste gluten-free. And so he tried it. He was like, yeah, I don't know, you should ask. So I asked what it was made out of, and they brought the box out, and it was Barilla, senza gluten pasta. I've had the same pasta. They just cooked it really well. And they've been very knowledgeable here, and I really appreciate it because it's kind of stressful sometimes.
We can't taste if something has gluten in it, but usually gluten-free pasta has a sort of like texture to it, like kind of dry, kind of like a little crunchier. So this pasta didn't have that, so we were both like,
Imagine being a baby and just growing up with this, like, this is so much stimulation. I know I haven't experienced it my whole life, but as a 24-year-old, my brain is like, whoa, like I just can't imagine it's like a 1-month-old, you're like, just mind blown, literally. I saw a baby on the sidewalk, that's why I say that.
Alright, just got back from our meal. It was delicious. Mine was way spicier than I thought it would be, but still good. Well, that's about it for today from Hanoi. Here for one more day tomorrow, so we will see you then. Good night. Well, the speedboat is here to take us. What is this fly?
I'm sweaty, but we made it to the secret, what is it called?
Yeah, Hanoi Social Club. Oh, there's a lizard in here. It just went down there.
Inside of here?
Yeah.